You built the website. You pay for hosting every month. And it generates nothing. Here's the thing. It's not your website that's broken. It's the model you're using to monetize it. There are 3 kinds of websites out there right now that have real traffic and zero revenue strategy. 1. Directory and listing sites. You've got visitors searching for plumbers, restaurants, mechanics. They find what they need and leave. You gave away the connection for free. 2. Standalone business websites. Your site gets traffic. People find your services. But between the visit and the phone call, most of them vanish. No capture. No follow-up. Just a bounce rate that keeps climbing. 3. Etsy and Shopify stores sitting in a sea of identical listings. You built the store. You sourced the products. And you're paying for ads that cost more than the clicks they generate. Here's why most website owners give up. Traditional advertising is built on a lie. Pay up front, hope for results. You buy impressions. CPM. Cost per 1,000 people who might scroll past your listing without even seeing it. The dirty secret of digital advertising is that most of your budget disappears into the void. You're paying for eyeballs, not outcomes. 1,000 impressions means nothing if nobody takes action. And if you're running an Etsy or Shopify store, you've felt this. You boost a listing. You run Facebook ads. You pay Google for clicks. And the cost per acquisition keeps climbing while your margins keep shrinking. Operational friction piles up. Managing ad campaigns becomes a second job. You're spending time and money on something that should be making you money, not costing you more of it. Now here's a different way to think about it. What if every visitor to your directory site was actually an opportunity you could capture? Not a number on an analytics dashboard. A real person, searching for something real, right now. That search for a local plumber? That's an opportunity. That click on a restaurant listing? That's a connection waiting to happen. The opportunity model flips CPM on its head. Instead of paying for 1,000 random impressions, businesses pay for actual responses from real people who are already looking for what they offer. For directory sites, this means every listing becomes a revenue channel. For business websites, it means every visitor is a potential lead, not just a stat. For stores, it means traffic that converts instead of traffic that costs. Here's how it works in practice. Your website already has traffic. People searching, browsing, comparing. Right now, that traffic passes through and disappears. But with an opportunity network, that traffic becomes inventory. Business listings rotate automatically across participating sites. The ones that perform stay active. The ones that don't get replaced. No manual optimization. No babysitting ad campaigns. The system handles it. For directory owners, your existing search traffic becomes a monetization engine. You're not adding ads that clutter your site. You're connecting searches to services. The value was always there. You just weren't capturing it. For business owners, your listing reaches across an entire network, not just one lonely page. More visibility, more responses, more control over what you actually spend. The shift is fundamental. Stop treating advertising as a fixed cost you have to absorb. Start treating it as something you only pay for when it produces results. When you pay for impressions, you're gambling. When you pay for opportunities, you're investing. One drains your budget regardless of outcome. The other aligns your spending with your growth. If your website has traffic but no revenue strategy, or if you're pouring budget into CPM campaigns that cost more than they return, there's a better way. Visit adsnear.me, where businesses and buyers meet.